Hello, and welcome to Tiny Takes with Learning Technology, Student Takes Edition. Welcome to identifying storage quota and cleaning up your OneDrive. On this episode, we'll walk you through logging in, checking your space quota, and identifying large files to clean up. When you enroll as a student in Clear Creek, you're assigned a Microsoft account that will be used from kindergarten to your senior year. Each year, you will need to take time identifying and cleaning out your OneDrive to ensure you continue to have space to save new resources year after year. Let's get started. First, let's open OneDrive from the single sign-on portal. On your Microsoft Office homepage, look for the waffle menu in the top left corner. This is identified on the screen with the number 1. It looks like a grid of 9 small squares. Now click on the waffle menu to see a list of apps. Find and click on OneDrive. The icon is identified by the number 2 on the screen. To check your space quota, look at the bottom left corner of the OneDrive dashboard. You may have to scroll down to see this link. Example is on the right image on your screen. Once located, you will see a bar indicating how much storage you've used and how much is available. Click on the link that identifies how much space you have currently used. Now let's identify large files to clean up. These files are currently sorted from largest to smallest under the File Size column. Take a moment to review all files and decide which ones you can delete to free up space. To delete or remove these files, select the files you want to clean up by clicking the circle in front of each resource, indicated by number 1. Then choose the appropriate action on the bar at the top of the page, indicated by number 2. After you delete the resource, you will need to delete these items from the recycle bin to ensure they are removed from the system and quota space is updated. That link is indicated in number 3. That concludes this episode of OneDrive Cleanup. You've successfully logged in, checked your space quota, and identified large files for cleanup. Regularly managing your OneDrive storage helps keep your files organized and ensures you have enough space for new documents. Thanks for watching, and thanks for joining us on Tiny Takes with Learning Technology.